Hello, welcome back. Tuna salad. You heard me. Tuna salad. And I'm not talking here about those tuna that you buy in the store in a can. I'm talking about fresh tuna. And the way I'm going to cook this one is going to be in the cast iron. And I'm going to show you how to create that nice looking crust on the outside, while the middle is pink and nice. And this is going to taste delicious because I'm going to pre-prepare so to ensure that when you taste it, it have a nice flavor. So go nowhere. Let's have some fun. If you like my creations, please share, or you can subscribe if you want to. But the important thing here right now is let's create. So here I have this nice looking tuna, relatively thick, as you can see, it's thick. I mix some salt and pepper because that's all you need. What I'm going to do, I'm going to generously apply on both sides of the tuna. Flip it. Do the same. And this is black pepper and salt. You can use sea salt, Himalayan salt if you want to. Put some here. What I'll do it on the side too. That's simple. So this is very hot heat. I actually had a high first to get the cast iron hot. Now I have a notch or two above medium. Now you're going to add the tuna. And you're going to let it cook. You don't want it overly cooked. Once again, this is a thick tuna. You want a nice crusty on each side. Maybe a minute or two. A little bit longer, you want a little bit more cooked. Come to flip it. See how beautiful it looks on one side. Do the same on the other side. See how beautiful it's cooking. And that should be ready. That is crusty and nice. See how beautiful.